Oopsie daisy, so many paintings scattered everywhere. This must be the story of all of us who are an artist, who love or who has a passion for paintings. So guys, I was in a dead trap with so many paintings scattered all over the house because this was my previous sketchbook, which was 300 GSM. This was a brand Canson. I was pretty pleased with it, but again, this was pretty big sketchbook. So I used it for my watercolor paintings, for my acrylics, but then the sizes were so big that I used to end up using a lot of colors to fill up the sketchbook. Well, along with colors, it was also taking a lot of time as it was really big. It was like about 7" by 12". Then what I did is I got another sketchbook again from Canson, which was 9 by 12. And I used to tear up the pages and cut these into small little sheets, and that was taking a lot of time. Along with that, it gave me so many loose paintings which were scattered everywhere. I have a baby and she plays around the whole house with it. So then I found this beautiful Menorah paint book, not a paint book but a sketchbook, and this was available in a lot of sizes. So I picked up A6 size, which is about 6 inches by 4.5 inches, and the best part, I got 2 books in this bundle. I was pretty confused which one to take, whether to take this landscape or whether to take this portrait. And I know for my florals I will need portraits, for my landscapes I will need landscape skies. So instead of paying 450 rupees for just one book, I found both as a bundle for 450 rupees. Well, my previous book was 300 GSM and this particular Menorah book is only 180 GSM. So I'm a little worried to see how is the quality actually, because I'm a professional painter. I use all artist grade heavy paints. So let's see if this stands up to our expectations. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so this looks beautiful. The faux leather on it is very smooth, silky, and an amazing place where we can customize this sketchbook with some acrylic work on the top, which I'll be doing in future. And let's see the pages. The pages looks pretty nice, but it's thin as it's only 180 GSM. The description on the book says that this is a multimedia book. That means you can pencil sketch, acrylic sketch, water sketch. You can do a lot of mediums on it. Well, I do feel that this is a bit thin, but let's see how does it turn up. I really like the silk bookmark on it. Along with that, it has got a rubber band to hold up the sketchbook. Beautiful size, perfect for what I was looking for. It does have a lot of sizes available. I will be putting in the links on the description for various sizes of the sketchbook. And here the sketchbook has about 100 pages. That means front and back is 1 page. That means 50 pages but 100 sides. So you can make 100 different paintings on it. So I'm really liking the smooth finish. It doesn't have a lot of gradients, which is nice. I'm really liking the pages. So let's go ahead and quickly do a painting on it, and let's see how it turns up for watercolor, also for acrylic. I'm just sketching for my watercolor painting. Alright, my sketching part is done. Let's quickly pick up my watercolors and let's see how does it blend in. So I'm just spreading an even coat of water. And I'm now picking up colors. Till here it's looking pretty good. I can see the paper is curling up a bit, which happens for GSM or 300 GSM paper as well, and it is 180. So I was expecting it to curl up, but let's see if it smooths out after using a hairdryer or a heating tool over it. So let me quickly go ahead and finish this painting, guys, and I will come back with my final paintings on it, and then we will continue reviewing it. Ta-da! Here it is. So my watercolor painting is on the left side, and on the right side I have the acrylic painting. So the watercolor painting was curling up, the page was curling up, but then after using a hairdryer to dry up the space, it became pretty smooth. So I'm pretty happy with the results. The absorption of colors onto the paper was wonderful, but you can see how did it curl up. So the watery part curled up more than the acrylics, but then we were expecting it. It did not come out on the other side. That means I would be happily be able to paint on the other side as well. So this is definitely value for money, guys. I'm really impressed with this paint book or with the sketchbook. If I put on the rubber on the side, it will smooth out in no time. So the curl up will be smoothing out once we put in the rubber band on the sides. So definitely a good investment, guys. I am very happy with this sketchbook, and yeah, this is definitely value for money. Friends, I hope I was able to resolve any of your confusions and queries regarding this sketchbook. If there is anything you would like to know, kindly put it under the comment box and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you like this review, kindly consider subscribing. And in my channel, I already have over 90 videos that includes watercolor classes, watercolor tutorials, acrylic tutorials, which are all step by step. So I hope you check those out and we can grow together in this journey of arts. Thank you very much for visiting, guys. Y'all have a lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.